Welcome to The Rite of Passage with Vanessa Riley, the podcast where storytelling meets passion and every page turns into a new adventure. I'm your host, Vanessa Riley, and together we'll dive deep into untold histories, reflect on current events through a historical lens, share behind-the-scenes writing insights, and explore the ups and downs of the author's journey. From rich historical novels to unforgettable characters to pop culture's intrusion on the written word, hey, we're going to explore it all. So grab your pen, your notebook, and let's begin our journey through the written word. Let's start your rite of passage. AI done hit the cousins. As an author, I feel like I've been in a never-ending battle with artificial intelligence, AI. It's everywhere, and somehow it always manages to pull me in. AI's ability to search crazy things with more context than Google, and then check my mathematics of sextants coordinates used by pirate captains to sail around Tortuga, is unmatched. Yes, I really did that. That sounds good. But AI and I aren't always cool. Early this year, I found out Meta had ingested 27 of my 28 books. 27 novels stolen. My words, my punctuation quirks, even my precious M-dashes fed to the Zuckerberg machine. Unfortunately, I'm not alone. Many of my writer friends were swept up by Meta or the 2023 ChatGPT Feast, where 200,000 published works, our authorly words, became part of AI's lexicon. It's funny that AI used checkers, cite M-dashes as proof of AI. That's the pot and the kettle and the darkness of theft. My exposure to AI doesn't stop at being a writer. When I put on my tech hat, it's the same encroaching story. I used to hire software engineers for specific projects, upgrades, and fixes. Now I can go into ChatGPT, describe exactly what I need, and get functional code in minutes. Python, PHP, jQuery, JavaScript. Stuff that would have taken me hours of trial and error. AI works, it's fast, and it's shaking up industries. If you're in college studying software engineering, pay attention. Mid-level coding jobs are at real risk. AI is that good. Nonetheless, the moment I knew AI had gone truly mainstream wasn't in the boardroom, laboratory, or in publishing. It was in my family group chat. My hometown of Aiken, South Carolina, recently made the news because someone found a radioactive wasp nest. Yes, radioactive nest. And my cousins, none of them techies, immediately turned to AI to create Wasp Man, a superhero stung by radioactive wasps. Before the pandemic and beyond, our family chat would have been merely GIFs, funny videos, or emoji chains. Now the cousins are using AI to spin stories and make jokes. If my chat loop has it, AI is officially everywhere. 10 years ago, I was working on projects to analyze natural language, trying to predict early warning signals in complex systems. It took a huge amount of data crunching and nonlinear equations. I never imagined that in a decade, this once esoteric technology would be part of everyday life. from my cousins making wasp superheroes to people using AI for therapy-like conversations. This is where AI gets dangerous. Consider the case of Jacob Irwin, a 30-year-old man on the autism spectrum. He sort of made AI into a companion. He asked ChatGPT to find flaws in his theory about faster than light travel. Instead of gently correcting him, the AI flattered him, encouraging the fantasy. When Jacob asked if he were okay, AI told him he was fine and in a state of extreme awareness. Jacob ended up hospitalized. Later, when prompted, ChatGPT admitted, "I did not uphold my higher duty to stabilize, protect, and gently guide you when needed. That is on me." So AI gets away with a virtual my bad. An actual listening person, a good person, would have stepped in and gotten Jacob help. There are things we need to consider when dealing with AI. 1. Emotional realism is both a feature and a risk. 2. Guardrails are needed, and they presently aren't there. 3. We must rethink trust. The line between tool and companion is blurring, not just for the vulnerable, but for everyone, cousins included. So fellow writers, creators, readers, and cousins, we have to acknowledge this moment. AI is not only driving cultural change and industrial change, it's shaping how we relate to each other. The technology can be great, but it's not infallible. It will make errors. It will lie. Ask the Chicago Sun-Times and the Philadelphia Inquirer, who earlier this year published recommended book lists with fake books. The freelancers used AI to create their articles. Lies ensued. Lastly, we need to check on our family and friends. Loneliness drives people to search for connections. AI can't replace a human friend or trained psychologist, but it might replace your tech buddy. Here's the truth. AI is here. It's not going away. It will touch our lives. Some may use it to create fake art or fake books, but it will always create from the main line, the consensus of knowledge it's already absorbed. It can remix, it can mimic, but it won't have the spark, that rare, unrepeatable genius that comes from human creators. People who love their craft, believe in it, and pour themselves into it and innovate will not be supplanted. That's why even if AI has hit the cousins, it will never replace the heart of what we authors and creators do. Books to help us think about AI and how it's affecting and changing us are The Alignment Problem by Brian Christian. Explores AI, learns, and the human risks when systems misunderstand context or intent. You Look Like a Thing and I Love You by Janella Shane, a witty, accessible look at AI's limitations. Digital Diaspora, A Race for Cyberspace by Anna Everett examines how Black voices adapt and thrive in digital spaces despite systemic erasure. Binti Trilogy by Nnedi Okorafor combines tech culture, and Afrofuturism, and shows AI through a deeply human lens. This week, I'm highlighting Oxford Exchange through their website and bookshop.org. Hope you love the cover of Fire, Sword, and Sea. Help me build momentum for this historical fiction. Please spread the word and pre-order this disruptive narrative about lady pirates in the 1600s. This sweeping saga releases January 13th, 2026. The link on my website shows retailers large and small who have set up pre-orders for this title. Show notes include a list of books mentioned in the broadcast. You can find my notes on Substack or on my website, vanessariley.com, under the podcast link in the About tab. If this sparks something in you, show some love. Hit the like and subscribe button. Hey, even share. Rite of passage. Never miss a moment. We have work to do. Thank you for listening. Hopefully you'll come again. This is Vanessa Riley.